Hello, a pleasant day to Grade 10 Galileo. Welcome to the orientation and first meeting for our subject, Scouting. But before we move on, please allow me to remind you on the university's vision, mission, core values, and our taglines. Our vision, NEUST is a locally responsive and internationally relevant and recognized university of science and technology. Our mission, to develop new knowledge and technologies and transform human resources into productive citizenry to bring about development impact to local and international communities. Our core values, nationalism, excellence, unity, spirituality, and transparency. And our tagline, transforming communities through science and technology. And also, I would like you to sing our NUSD March. There you go, our NUST March. This time, let's talk about the course requirements for scouting. Number one, your active participation in each lesson. Every scheduled date will be having a discussion on the different topics that we have in scouting. I need your 100% active participation in that. Number two, group sharing, discussions, and presentations. So you have to expect some group activities and some group outputs for this course. Quizzes, we will also be having quizzes, assignments, and of course the membership. So this is the annual membership that we are talking about. And then Scout Advancement Passport. I will send to you the Scout Advancement Passport wherein in here it's just like a portfolio of all your accomplishments in scouting, a detailed book wherein you placed all your accomplishments. And also, please be reminded that no student shall be given special examination and quiz except for a valid reason. Our class schedule for scouting is every Friday from 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. Our weekly schedule every Friday will be having the discussion of the topics, the submission of activities, assignments, outputs, and other activities, the question and answer portion via group chat, phone call, or we can schedule a Zoom meeting so you can clarify things with regards to what we discussed. If you have any more questions with regards to scouting, I will be making a group chat for scouting. The name would be Scouting 10 Galileo. So please feel free to send all your queries, your questions with regards to our course, and I will answer all of those. Once again, welcome to NUSD San Isidro Campus. Good luck and God bless. Always keep safe, and a scout salute to all of you. Thank you.